Hello everyone, so this is the left side door, front door of the Troopy HJ45 1980, and today it is finished with the keyless entry system, which actually is what we do triple layer protection system into the car, including remote control, central locking, and car alarm, and high protection triple level. We do the remote control keyless entry for the two front door and the rear door as well, and this is the left hand side door, so you can see how the motor is mounted directly on the side. And go to the rod, we trim a little bit of this rod, and we can bend this bracket and mount it here with two screws on the side and two screws to hold the motor. And this one will just slightly touching, but not against the part of the car. The wiring later will be run correctly through the door into the body, just for starting now. But here you go. Yep, that's the system, working very nice. All door currently shut and closed with the remote. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.